Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your captain speaking. Welcome aboard our scenic drive to Pico do Arieiro. Fasten your seatbelts as we ascend through the clouds, reaching new heights with every turn. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 1,818 meters, enjoying the breathtaking views that Madeira has to offer.
When I drove up my car, I didn't expect that it's going to be so windy up here. So, quick change of plans. I want to show you one of my secret sunset peaks. I'm very close, but still far away from all the tourists that you can see over there.
Time to launch the drone. Almost lost it in the wind and clouds, but the views are worth it.
Here's the famous Stairway to Heaven on the PR1 trail. It's just a 25-minute walk from the parking lot.
Whew. I was so lucky actually. To all the guys who ask me, how do you always lose your drone? This is how. Just flying in conditions where you shouldn't fly, but the photos were definitely worth it. Now I'm climbing up, so I have to put the phone away to reach the hidden peak before sunset.
Now we make our way quickly to the peak. For safety reasons, I can't share the exact path. Never go off the beaten path without a local guide. Finally, here's my favorite sunset spot. The view of all the mountains in the radar station at Pico do Arieiro is simply breathtaking. Enjoy the beautiful sunset and the stunning pictures. This is from last time, when we were there with our home office Madeira group. A perfect place for remote workers.
Thank you so much for enjoying this beautiful sunset and the stunning pictures with me. What an incredible spot to end the day. As you see, I have to rush down and rush back to the car before the dark. Here again, the Stairway to Heaven, also epic after the sunset. Thanks a lot for joining me on this quick hike. Stay tuned for more adventures with Homeoffice Madeira, and I hope to see you soon for the next hidden gem.